video, we are going to learn about integers. Integers is a special set of numbers comprising 0, a positive integer and a negative integer. 0 is neither a positive nor a negative integer. It is a neutral number. Positive integers are natural numbers, are also called counting numbers. The positive integer lie on the right side of 0 on the number line. Negative integers are the negative of natural numbers. The negative integers lie on the left side of 0 on the number line. So, simply all natural numbers are whole numbers. All whole numbers are integers. All integers are represented by the symbol Z. For example, next we are going to see how to add and subtract integers on the number line. If we add a positive integer, we go to the right. We all know that 0 towards the positive integer, that is right side, towards the negative integer, that is the left side. So now we add a positive integer, we go to right. For example, 2 plus 4 equal to, where is the 2? Here 2. We have to move 4 steps. Move 4 is a positive integer. So we have to go to right. So from 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the answer? 6. 6. One more sum I am doing. Minus 6 plus 3 equal to, I have told you it's a positive integer. We go to right side. First we have to mark the number minus 6. Here is a minus 6. So here we want to start from here, minus 6. So how many moves? Move 3 moves. Correct? 3 moves. So plus 3, so 3 moves. Starting from minus 6, move to right side. 1, 2, 3. So what is your answer? Minus 3. Understood? If we add a positive integer, we go to the right side. The next option is, if we add a negative integer, we have to go to the left side. For example, minus 6 plus minus 3 equal to, I told you first we have to go to minus 6. Here minus 6 towards left. Left means negative side. So from here, how many moves? 3 moves. Move is 3 moves. So minus 6, 1, 2, 3. So what is the answer? Minus 9. One more I am doing. 1 plus minus 3. So where we have to go? One place. How many moves? Move 3 moves. Okay, from 1 towards left. 1, 2, 3. Answer is minus 2. The third option is, if we subtract a positive integer, we have to go to the left side. For example, 4 minus 3. I told you first we have to go to the place 4. How many move? 3 moves. Move 3 towards left. 1, 2, 3. What's your answer? 1. 4 minus 3 equal to 1. I am writing one more. Minus 1 minus 2. Here two numbers I have written. First, minus 1 is a negative integer. We are subtracting. The 2 is a positive integer. So first we have to go to the place minus 1. How many move? 2 move. 2 moves towards left. 1, 2 moves towards left. So answer is minus 3. The next option is, if we subtract a negative integer, we have to go to the right side. For example, the previous one, here 2 is a positive integer. Here minus 4 is a negative integer. Subtracting with a negative integer, we have to go to the right side. First, we have to go to the place 2. How many move? Move 4 moves we have to move to the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The answer is minus 6. The next is one more sum I'm doing. Minus 1 minus of minus 2. When we subtract with a negative integer. So first we have to go to the place minus 1. We have to go to right side. How many move? 2 moves. 2 moves. So I'm reaching the place minus 1. 2 moves. 1, 2. The answer is the next is multiplying the positive and negative integer. When we are multiplying two positive integers, we will get the positive. For example, 4 multiplied by 2. 4 and 2 are positive integers. So we will get 8 plus 8. Another example, 6 multiplied by 3. 6 into 3, 18. So plus 18. So when we are multiplying two positive integer, we get answer as a positive. When we are multiplying two negative integer, we will also get a positive integer. For example, minus 4 into minus 2. So 4 2s are 8. Minus into minus, it becomes plus. One more example. Minus 9 into minus 3. We all know that 9 into 3, 27. Minus into minus, plus. So, when we are multiplying two negative integers, we will get a positive integer. When we are multiplying negative integer into positive integer or positive integer into negative integer, we get a negative sign only. For example, minus 2 into 3. 2 into 3, 6. We have to put a minus sign. One more example. Minus 4 into 3. 4 3s are 12. Minus into plus, minus. So, here 6, yeah, positive integer multiplying with a negative integer minus 2. We will get 6 into 2, 12. Plus into minus, minus 12. 3 into minus 4. 3 4s are 12. Plus into minus, minus. So, when we are multiplying two positive integers or two negative integers, we get a positive sign. When we are multiplying negative with positive or positive with negative, we will get the negative sign. Here we are going to add the positive and negative integer. In the first case, when we are adding two positive integers, for example, 3 plus 4, 3 plus 4, so we will get 7, a positive number. So, in the next case, when we are adding two negative numbers, two negative integers, for example, -7 plus we are adding to a negative -4. So what happened? -7 plus into minus -4. So we have to add the numbers and put a sign minus. In these two cases, here two positive integers we are adding, two negative integers we are adding. Here positive sign, here negative sign. In this case, we are adding a positive number and a negative number. For example, 5 is a positive number. We are adding with a negative integer. So what happened? 5 plus into minus, -7. As we know that subtracting from bigger number to smaller number. So 7 minus 5, 2. We have to put the bigger number sign. -7 is a bigger. So minus. The next case, negative number is added to the negative integer is added to the positive integer. For example, -9 plus 3. I told you we have to subtract from the bigger number to smaller number. So 9 minus 3, 6. I told you to put the bigger number sign. So minus. In this first two case, we are adding the number. In the second two case, we are subtracting the number. The major properties of integers are closure property, associative property, commutative property, distributive property, additive inverse property, multiplicative inverse property, identity property. Let us see one by one. First, closure property. When two integers are added or multiple together, it results in an integer only. A plus B equal to integer. A into B equal to integer. For example, 3 plus 5 equal to 8 is an integer. 4 plus 6 equal to 10 is an integer. Here, A multiplied by B equal to integer. For example, 2 into 5 equal to 10. 8 into 3 equal to 24 is an integer. So, according to the closure property, when two integers are added or multiplied together, it results in an integer. The next is commutative property. According to this commutative property, if A and B are integers, then A plus B equal to B plus A. A multiplied by B equal to B multiplied by A. 3 plus 4 equal to 4 plus 3. 3 plus 4, 7. 4 plus 3, 7. Coming to that of multiplication. 3 into 8 equal to 8 into 3. 24, 24. Same. So, the commutative property of integers is applicable for addition and multiplication. That is not applicable for subtraction and division of integers. Next, we are going to see the associative property. According to the associative property, if A, B, C are integers, then A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C. A into B into C equal to A into B into C. This is for addition, this is for multiplication. For example, 5 plus 3 plus 4 equal to 5 plus 3 plus 4. Here 5 plus 4 plus 3, 7. So 12 equal to 8 plus 4, 12. Both are equal in the case of addition. In the case of multiplication, for example, A is 2, B is 3, C is 4. 2 into 3 into 4 equal to 2 into 3 into 4. 2 into 4 3s are 12. So 24 equal to 6 into 4 equal to 24. So similar to commutativity, associativity also applicable for addition and multiplication, not for subtraction and division of integers. The next is distributive property. According to the distributive property, A, B, C are integers. So the distributive of multiplication or addition, A into B plus C equal to, here A into B, A into C. A is distributing. So 3, A equal to 3 into 5 plus 1 equal to 3 into 5 here plus 3 into 1. So 3 into 5 plus 1, 6 equal to 3 plus 15 plus 3. 6 3s are 18, 15 plus 3, 18. Proved. The next is additive inverse property. If A is an integer, then as per the additive inverse property of integer, A plus minus A equal to 0. Hence, minus A is the additive inverse of integer A. One more example. If 8 is an integer, 8 minus 8. So, minus 8 is the additive inverse of integer 8. Next is multiplicative inverse property. If A is an integer, then as per the multiplicative inverse property of integer, A into 1 by A equal to 1. Hence, 1 by A is the multiplicative inverse of integer For example, 9 is an integer. What is the multiplicative inverse property of 9? 1 by 9. The next coming to multiplication by 0. If an integer, for example, -1, multiplied with 0, we get 0. 7 into 0, we get 0. Any integer multiple by 0, we get a 0. Next, multiplicative identity. An integer multiple with 1, we get the same integer. 8 into 1, 8. -7 into 1, -3 into 1, get the same integer.